Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to find wallet address for CoolWallet app. To find your wallet address on the CoolWallet mobile app, first of all open the CoolWallet application and sign into your wallet like you normally do. After you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the Receive button at the top of the screen. Under Choose Crypto, tap on any cryptocurrency you want to find the wallet address for. After doing so, you will be able to see your wallet address displayed in text format at the bottom. Tap the Copy Address button in order to copy the specific wallet address. Once copied, you can go ahead and easily share it on any social media platform or directly to your friends with your messaging app. You can also let anyone scan the QR code so that others can scan to send you your funds. Make sure you securely share your wallet address with only trusted individuals, especially when receiving funds. By these steps, you can easily find and copy your wallet address on CoolWallet app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again